day 1 and day 2, some more rainfall is expected, but after day 3, 4 and 5, will be reduction in rainfall activities in this region. We are expecting for day 1, we are expecting thunderstorm with lightning accompanied with hails is very likely to occur at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya. Now, as far as day 2 is concerned, we are expecting thunderstorm with lightning is very likely to occur at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. For day 3, we are expecting dense fog is very likely to occur at isolated places over Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. And as far as day 4 is concerned, we are expecting a dense fog is very likely to occur at isolated places over the East Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura.